Hey, it's Dee from Artsy D. Someone recently asked me how do they bring their own photos into Procreate. So here's the quick, no fuss answer. 2 ways take seconds. You're going to open up any canvas in Procreate. You're going to tap the wrench button here, which is your actions button in Procreate, and you're going to say insert a photo. It will then open up your media library and you're going to choose the photo that you want to pull into Procreate. There we go, my mushroom has now been dropped on my new canvas. And then of course you can go and select it. It comes pre-selected so that you can adjust the size, etc. Method number 2 is really the fastest way. What you're going to do is you are going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen on Procreate, nice and slow. You're then going to tap and hold and drag your photos icon, which is on your dock, and you're going to drag it to the side and release it. It then opens up your photos and you can now hold the image that you want to copy over and drag it onto your Procreate canvas. And then you can simply close your media library and drag your canvas over to the edge again. Once again, you can arrange it, adjust the positioning, etc. That's it. 2 easy ways to import your photos into Procreate. If you want something to paint with, grab my free watercolor Procreate brush and paper texture. The link's right here below. And if you want more quick Procreate tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.